What's up, everybody? Today we're planning to dip down into Illinois and get us a nice set of wheels. Don't know what we're gonna put them on yet. The bolt pattern is the same for both of my trucks, so we'll see how that goes. Might end up on the OBS eventually, so that'd be cool. So that's what we got going on. It'll be just a dandy old time. Alright, so I just got back to my apartment in Waukesha, and this is the setup we're rolling. We got the wheels in the Traverse. We managed to fit all 4 of them. I didn't think we were going to be able to, truthfully. But spring break starts tomorrow, so I'm amped. Can't wait to go back to Brentwood, stay there for a week, and do some truck stuff with the fellas. All right, so I just finished up with my last class for the week. I am officially headed home on spring break. Doesn't look very nice outside, but I'm still excited to go home and do some stuff with the fellas. I got the wheels in the back, get those cleaned up and throw them on a vehicle. I don't know which one, but I'm excited for that. All right, so now that I'm a guy with 14 wides, I have to go to Buckle and get a douchebag hat and sparkly pants. Not sparkly enough, man. Where are the bedazzled jeans? This stuff just screams I overdosed on Axe body spray back in 2011. Hi, I mow lawns for a living, and I am insistent on telling everybody how blue collar I am. I own an Illumiduty, but it's only because my dad bought it for me under the name of his business. I looked at a farm one time, and now it's my whole personality. Well, that was a bust. They didn't have any sparkly jeans there. Pissing me off. Honest question. How are people supposed to know if I'm running 14 wide chrome wheels if I'm not wearing sparkly Rock Revival jeans and wearing a Bass Pro Shops hat? This is garbage. I'm pissed off. What is he doing? Logan, you can't base your personality off of a set of wheels. I beg to differ. Alright, so you guys probably saw the thumbnail already, but the OBS isn't ready to put the wheels on yet, and the 6 already has decent wheels on it, so we're gonna take the new wheels and put them on Ryan's plow truck just for fun, and we're gonna see how that looks. So on our way over to Ryan's right now, so we'll see how that goes. All right, let's go get this thing running. We got stuff to do today. Got the snow coming out of the stack. This is This is so dumb. Like, you're not even gonna be able to turn to get it out of the driveway. I don't care. That just sucks. Plow seals are leaking. Everything sucks. Okay, so we gotta make a run into town to grab tools. Big surprise, whoop-de-doo. We need an impact and sockets because, like last time, Ryan doesn't have any of that here, so we've got to improvise a little bit. Oh, breaking and entering. try this again. Dude. Nice.
0 turning radius.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Good luck plowing. So this thing is going to be absolutely insufferable to drive. I can't picture it making more than...
We're bringing it to SEMA.
5 feet. Yeah, the SEMA Crunch FP 3.0. We're on our way to Tennessee right now. It's Saturday. Drop the plow!
Your lawn plowed, ma'am?
Where's the leak, ma'am? So the consensus is it's so terrible to drive, and it's not even going to be able to leave the driveway, let alone plow the driveway. So we're just going to take a few pictures and take them off.
I thought wider tires for better traction.
Wider tires, better traction, better ingredients, better pizza. All right, well, let's just undo what we just did and call it a day.
You want to slip that other tire in there while it's on.
You're just gonna have to settle for a couple decent pictures and a video or two. So sorry about that. It is such a deep dish, dude. I give it. Everything's just screaming, crying for help. All right, now we got the stocks back on it. We are just as disappointed as you guys are, I'm sure. We wanted to see if we could successfully plow a driveway with 14 wides, but you know, life happens, and I don't know what to say. What happens?
I don't know. That's life.
Life. Is life good or bad?
Horrible.
Horrible, miserable, terrible. Okay, so that was a lot of fun. I just got back home. I think we're gonna end this video here, a little shorter than normal, but if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and if you're not already, I mean, I haven't said this or anything, I try not to, but you know, like and subscribe. It does a lot of good, and it'll help me get a better grade on my class project. So, thank you. What else? That's all we got. So, thanks for watching.